Hey, hello, my dear student from 9th. How you doing? Great? Then I expect that everything is very well at home, so you've been taking care as well as your family members. Okay, very good. Then the topic that I have just set up for today is a very easy topic. We're going to work with conditional type 0 and 1. This is the first part. And this is going to be a review, the final review related to this topic. Hey, before starting, I just want to illustrate, to mention, to list here the topics that are left in this final term. There is a specific vocabulary related with jobs, professions, occupation, which is very easy. Conditionals type 0 and 1, and finally imperative, all right? These are the grammar part that we're going to discuss at this time. Then, just to give you an introduction, conditionals. But before, look at the goal that I just set up. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to talk about, as we're going to study, review conditional type 0 and conditional type 1, you are going to be able to talk about things that are always true by supporting yourself on conditional type 0. And things that might happen in the future or present, might get the probability, the possibility that something's already happened, just supporting ourselves on type 1. Then remember that all the conditional have two parts. They have an if clause and a result clause. And here we got the design for both of them. If the subject, in both of them we use in the if clause present simple. And the result for conditional type 0 is present simple too. But for the type 1 we have to use will. Remember that will here doesn't indicate future, but something that might happen in the present or future. Okay, my dear student, stay tuned. I will give you the details of this grammar part. Then, before starting the lessons, today's lesson, which is related to the conditionals type 0 and 1, I am going just to share with you the topics that we are going to study in the first half of the fourth term. Yeah, cuarto periodo, right there, the last fight, the last round. Okay, and you have to do it very well. Then the topics for the first part, para la primera parte, they are rights. Yes, we are going to talk about the rights and duties. Vamos a hablar sobre los derechos y deberes of the citizen. Conditional 1 and 0, 0, 1, which is today's topic, as well as future perfect. I know that this topic, future perfecto, is new for you, but don't worry about that. I will just going to give you all the details, and we are going to work and make a lot of practice for you to get familiar and to apply it very well. Okay, then let's start. Look at the goal that I have set up for this lesson, which is related to the conditional 0 and 1. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk. Yeah, important is to talk about things that are always true, cosas que siempre son ciertas. For this, we are going to use the conditional 0, as well as, así como también, things that might happen in present and future. Cosas que posiblemente pueden suceder ahora or in the future. For that, we are going to use the conditional number 1. Okay? Then look at this. Before going through some exercises, because this is also a review for you, the structure, conditional, all the conditionals have two parts, an if clause and a result clause. En una condición y un resultado, el que se espera, right? Look at this example. If I don't study, yeah, si no estudio, I won't get graduated. No me graduaré, right? Very simple. Remember when we place the if clause first, then we have to take this into account, a comma, right? But that is when you are writing, okay? We can do vice versa too, the result clause and the if clause. I will help you if I have enough time. Te ayudaría si tuviese tiempo. That is the way or the structure of conditional. Remember, if this happens, we will have this result. Yeah, that is the way this works in all of the conditional. Now we are going to do some exercises with each one and the uses of them. Stay tuned, don't go. Hey, hello, then. Let's analyze now the structure, the way we make, work with conditional. Type 0. Look at this. This conditional is mainly used to talk about things that are always true. Alright? Yeah, they are facts. Scientific facts. Cosas que son siempre ciertas, verdaderas. Alright? Facts, hechos científicos. Alright? And look at the structure. If the subject, in both parts of it, we use simple present or present simple. I remember do, does, and the feminist base verb to be, am, is, are. Okay? Then let's set up a couple of examples. Alright? Then look, if you drop, si has caer an egg, if you drop an egg, it breaks. Yes or no? That's true. Si dejas caer un huevo, pues se quiebra, se rompe. This is something that is true. I mean, a raw egg, of course, un huevo crudo, lógicamente. Alright? This. Okay. Another example. If we mezclar, if we mix hydrogen and oxygen, we mix water. Yes? Yeah, when we combine hydrogen, hidrógeno, and oxygen, el oxígeno, formamos agua. Alright? Yeah, ask your teacher Arnulfo. Yeah, your chemistry teacher, and that's true. That is always true. This is a scientific fact. Esto es un hecho científico. Siempre va a ser verdad. Okay. Then, another example, right? If I put, si coloco some lines in the sun, it melts. That's it. Entonces, si coloco hielo al sol, pues se derrite. That is always true. Alright? It's a fact. Remember, present simple, both sides. Yes, means this is present simple. Okay. Now let's move on to the conditional number one. Conditional number one is used to talk about things that are likely to happen in the present or future. Things that are likely to happen, que posiblemente que puedan suceder. Alright? In present or future. Look at this structure with, in the if clause we need the present simple, which is do, does, and also the verb to be in present simple. And in the result, what we'll expect to happen will, alright? So here will doesn't indicate future, este no indica futuro. Alright? No, it's something that probablemente pueda suceder. Okay? Then, so this is a review, remember, and I will place some example with this. Remember that we can do that vice versa, okay? And X breaks if we drop it. Yes? We can make water if we combine or mix hydrogen and oxygen. Ice melts if we put it in the sun. Alright, very good. Let's happen with this, vice versa. Okay, let's analyze then this. If Louis arrived late to class, yes? If Louis arrived late to class, he will be, sorry, he will be into trouble. All right. Then we say, if Luis arrives, hey, third person, right? Person simple. Si Luis llega tarde a clase, es probable que tenga algunos problemitas de pronto para entrar, all right? That's the meaning of this. All right? Luis will be into trouble if he arrives late to class. We can do it vice versa. Okay? I will place another example. If you don't go to the party, if you don't go to the party, right, we will probably, we can place that. This is optional. We will probably miss all your jokes. Yes, that's it. If you don't go to the party, we will probably miss all your jokes. Vamos a extrañar todas tus bromas, right? Because you are a very funny person. Okay, then all this, with this, we just have set up things that will probably happen. There is a possibility that this situation happen or not, in present or in the future. Okay, my dear students, I expect that with just this brief explanation, you are going to get into the uses of these two important conditionals, conditional 0 and conditional 1. Hey, remember to study a lot. Yes, be nice, take care of yourself, stay home, and I love you and miss you a lot. Hey, see you soon. Goodbye.